If the voltage drops precipitously, right? 12.7, bam, 11 something, okay? That's time that battery needs to be replaced, right? So under a medium load, say 400 watts, if the voltage drops more than 1%, then we know with the battery, it's time to replace it. If it's more than 3%, you need to replace it immediately. So that's kind of what you're looking for, is that erratic voltage behavior or voltage drop. Even if you turn on the fans, if you're starting off at 12.6, you should be looking for maybe 12.5, possibly 12.3. But if it drops below 12, in other words, you lose 0.5 volts or more, it's time.